My name is Jim Geisler. I'm from South Dakota. Me and my wife decided to go full-time RVing because she has a job that she can work remote. I Googled searched repairing RVs and NRVTA came up. I started investigating and went, hey, this looks like a great program and a great opportunity. So I decided I was going to enroll, come up, do the whole course. I'm so thankful that I did. The teachers, the training assistants, the TAs are so wonderful. Since being here, I have become more and more familiar and comfortable with using the tools. If you're like me, searching for something new to do and you want to go full-time, I would strongly recommend coming to NRVTA. I would not be comfortable with or diagnosing a refrigerator problem, an air conditioner problem, or a generator problem if it had not been for me going through the actual school. If you are afraid that you are not mechanically inclined, trust me, you will be comfortable coming down here and learning the tools.